Hello, my name is Chanel Glover. I'm the Federal Business Development and Capture Manager at Snorkel AI. A little about my background. I have over 10 years in the public sector, working as a government contractor and subject matter expert in financial management, policy, oversight, compliance, and procurement. I've also served as a term financial analyst at the Small Business Administration, which sparked my interest in business development and helping small businesses and non-traditional companies grow and better understand government contracting. An overview of the companies, Snorkel AI is a Silicon Valley-backed startup. It was spun out of Stanford University's AI lab in 2019. We're a team of 65. We have industry veterans from Google, Facebook, Amazon, Microsoft, and NVIDIA, as well as government veterans from Department of Defense, intelligence community, and federal civilian agencies. We're backed by over 100 million in funding from some of the most distinguished venture capital firms, including Greylock and Google Ventures. What we offer is an enterprise machine learning development platform that enables a fundamentally new way to build AI applications better and faster. Our customers include two of the three largest banks in the US, global brands, including insurance companies, telecom, retail, pharma, and energy companies. The original research at Stanford was funded by over 20 government agencies, grants, including DARPA, ONR, DOE, NIH, and NSF. We're also very proud of our recent years work with Department of Defense agencies and the intelligence community. What we are doing, our software product, Snorkel Flow, is best suited for agencies that have already started their AI journey, agencies that are struggling with trying to create enough labeled training data for their needs. The biggest bottleneck that enterprises face trying to develop AI applications is, where do you get the large amounts of high quality labeled data that you need to train your machine learning models? Well, the traditional approach is to just throw people at the problem, typically outsourced, spending weeks and months painstakingly labeling individual data, examples by hand. The hand label approach is costly, it's time consuming, it's insecure, and it's very inflexible. As you have to go and make changes, you will need to throw out all of your old work and start over again. Charlie Greenbacker, the head of Federal, will explain how our technology works in some of our use cases.
Great, thanks, Chanel. Yeah, so Charlie Greenbacker, I lead the federal business at Snorkel, and my background's really, I've spent my career at the intersection of machine learning and national security. So really what Snorkel does, what we've developed is a different way to create this labeled training data. It's a new approach based on what we call weak supervision and programmatic labeling. Basically, in a nutshell, our software lets non-technical subject matter experts like analysts or underwriters and insurance companies create what we call labeling functions, which allows them to express their domain knowledge, their subject matter expertise as a form of business logic that the system can then use to drive an iterative process of automatically labeling the data for use in training machine learning models. All of this is done in-house by your people using your data inside your network in a matter of hours, not weeks or months. We support a wide variety of use cases and application types, including everything from analyzing acquisitions documents and financial transaction data to monitor and detect fraudulent activity, all the way to analyzing computer network traffic data to identify policy violations and detect indicators of cyber attacks. Our software product is an end-to-end machine learning development platform, meaning it provides everything you need to build production quality AI applications from scratch, but it also works really good when plugged into an existing machine learning ecosystem if all you want to do is quickly create training data and use that with your current tools. As a result of using Snorkel software, our customers are able to build AI applications 10 to 100 times faster than using traditional hand labeling of training data. We make it incredibly quick and easy to adapt your AI applications to changes in external data or internal mission objectives, while also producing machine learning models that typically outperform the traditional approaches in terms of accuracy and other performance metrics. Plus, our unique workflow is completely traceable, auditable, and explainable, something that just isn't possible with the old way of doing things. Snorkel's technology is used today by Google, Apple, Intel Corporation, all of whom have published papers on how they're using Snorkel to build some of the products that most of us use every single day. If any of this sounds interesting to you, we'd love to schedule a meeting to show you a demo of our software and discuss how we can help your organization develop AI applications to accelerate your mission. Thank you.